So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text behind you in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut, open up this create new and add a video. So choose one of these options. From there you're going to be taken to a video editor. So you can see it's going to look something like this. On here you will see some video you want to add. So add it. I've added this video clip. On here I just need to click the right click and you can see here the option to duplicate, or just use Control D, duplicate that video. Once you've done so, it will just pop up as a continuation of this video, so it will look something like this. On here, it's important for you to take this video and for it to be directly above or just underneath, so you can add it to this layer. So let's choose one of these videos and drop it on here, and you can see I have text right here. So I'm just gonna use the video that I have at the bottom, click on it, so you can see it's selected right now. You will see on the right part of the screen background, smart tools, and so on. Go to smart tools. You can see it's open right now on here, but you will need to click on remove background. You can see it's going to be looking something like this, so we can recognize using AI what's the background, what's the foreground. Click on this and click on auto removal. So you remove backgrounds automatically. It's going to start and you can see it's already finished. Background is removed and the text should appear only behind this segment right there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.